It is really very good going, and we have implemented UVPEP for the first year in our school, and we are satisfied with that. So yesterday I watched all the students. They are very fluent, and because they are involved in the prototypes, everything. So they have gained so much knowledge.
ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಹೊಸ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಟರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದು ಒಂಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇವರು UVPEP ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವ್ರ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ನಾವು ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ಸು ಈ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಓದಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಎನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅವರು ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಏನು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
It's very nice to have a very good experience with UVPEP robotics team. In collaboration with UVPEP, we also had an opportunity for our students to explore many more things in science. Our students have experienced many things, and because of robotics, they have enriched their knowledge.
Special thanks to our Advocate teachers, mentors, UVPEP team, guests and parents who are present here to support our students and to encourage them to further progress. Let us celebrate science not just as a subject but the way we think and the problem solving for a better tomorrow. Thank you all.
Good afternoon everyone. It was really nice and creative. I really appreciate the students' hard work and all, and really appreciate the faculty's assistants, how they assisted the students. It was really nice and creative. I think it was well acquainted. They are well acquainted with the educational this one and all, and it is really helpful for the future generation. Thank you so much.
In this function, so many students are participated and make the models and explained it. Good opinion has come to our school. Parents are actually they are give a good opinion.
So today I just visited my Vasi school for science exhibition. Really it's a good achievement for our teachers, students and the parents also came. They congratulated those students and teachers. I'm so happy.
Thanks for UVPEP to giving the knowledge of technology.
Thank you for UVPEP team giving me this opportunity to celebrate the Science Fest.
Thank you for UVPEP team for guiding us in a right way. Thank you so much.